8 children and 2 women have lost their lives in a fresh Saudi aerial attack on Yemen's northwestern Sada province. 4 people were also injured in Wednesday's airstrikes that hit a residential area in Sada, Yemen's Arabic language al-Masirah television network reported. The Wednesday airstrikes were carried out a day after similar raids on Nihm neighborhood of Sana'a province killed all members of a family. Saudi Arabia has been leading a brutal military campaign against Yemen since March 2015. The kingdom has also imposed an aerial and naval blockade on its impoverished southern neighbor.